Hey, welcome back to HuntVault Thursday. You're with Lupo Outdoors, and our winner from last month's pick chose the 2-pistol carrier out of our HuntVault. So if you're listening, I'll be shipping that out to you. They gave us their address, and we will be shipping that out tomorrow morning. So let's take a look at what we have today on our HuntVault. I'll say the big item for last. A pair of socks. These are woolen socks, supposed to be moisture wicking, and they actually look extremely comfortable. These are the Badlands heavyweight crew socks. They're actually about $30 if you were to buy them. So we have that available. We actually have coffee. Now, I'm a huge coffee fan. So we have Hunt Coffee Company's Bugle Beast Dark Roast Blend. This has a value of about $19. For creators of the HuntVault Company. Born in dark timber and created for long days chasing once-in-a-lifetime bulls. This is the Bugle Beast. This actually could be pretty good. We always tell people if there's something that you want in the HuntVault, you have to subscribe, mention it down below, and send me a message at Lupo Outdoors at Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, you can message that down below, and we'll work out a way for you to get a hold of us. Now, we don't send food. We can't, all right? So anything else in here that you're interested in, aside from the food, could be yours. You just got to ask for it. Now, this Live Wild is interesting because the Live Wild is a series of like barbecue sauces and hot sauces and so forth. So this could be an interesting thing. It's considered a food item, so I can't send it to you. Serious Sage, Bizarre BQ, citrus pepper, so forth. These could be really good, especially when you're talking with wild game and you want to season them up. There's a lot of different ways. So this is kind of like a combination barbecues and marinades. So this is our knife and shear sharpeners. These are always very useful. Everybody knows you need to have a sharp knife, and this can do it for you. It's camouflage, so you're easy to lose it in the woods. Just kidding. But yeah, that's not a bad little item right there. Has a retail value of about $15. Our plus pack item is our HuntVault waterproof dry pack. Retail value of $160. The HuntVault dry pack is constructed with rigid, puncture-resistant material and a roll-top closure with MOLLE webbing. So it's actually a very interesting, and it's huge. It's really quite big. It's got a lot of space in there. It actually looks extremely functional and plenty of space. So if you're out and you're kayaking or got a canoe or a boat and you want to keep things really dry, it's got reflective strips on it. Looks to be very usable. I took it out of the plastic so it wouldn't be that glary. And you can get a pretty good idea of the overall size. This is our HuntVault for the month of September. And if you want any items aside from the food items, all you have to do is subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you next month.